Hello everyone, I'm Hariprasath, sharing my session with my team members Gowtham and Abdul Khaliq. In this video, we are going to see about what is virtualization tools and what are the advantages of using cloud storages in detail. Before we enter into our concepts, we need to learn about some of the basics like what is cloud computing and what services are provided by cloud computing and etc. And once again, and welcome you all to this group presentation. Cloud computing. Simply, cloud is said to be a data stored on the internet. Cloud computing is delivering a service such as storage, network, software over the internet. It is a common service and easily accessible by everyone. One of its main examples is Gmail because using our email ID and the password we can access our data anywhere in the world over the internet. And some of the top cloud service providers are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, IBM Cloud, Google Cloud and etc. Next, we are going to see about what are the services provided by cloud. Cloud provides infrastructure as a service and platform as a service and software as a service. First one is infrastructure as a service. It provides services like network, storage for developers and testing environment. One of its application is AWS. And the next one is platform as a service. It means it provides a service like operating system for developers to build an application. One of its examples is Google App Engine. And the last one is software as a service. It means it provides application as a service to end users. And the example for this is Google Apps. Next, we are going to see about deployment models of cloud computing. They are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. First one is public cloud. It is easily accessible by everyone using internet connection. One of the examples of public cloud is AWS. And the next one is private cloud. It is designed for a single organization. Therefore, everyone within this organization can get access through internet connection. And the example for this is OpenStack. And the next one is hybrid cloud. It is a combination of public and private cloud. Example AWS with VMware cloud. And the last one is community cloud. It is basically the combination of one or more public, private or hybrid cloud which are shared by many organizations for a single cost. And the example for a community cloud is Google Community Cloud. So that's all about the basics of cloud computing, and the remaining will be discussed by Gautam and Abdul Khaliq.
Hello everyone, I am Gautam. Now I want to talk about virtualization. Virtualization is a process of creating a virtual representation. It's like creating a super smart pretend version of something. It could be a server, operating system, storage device or network resources. Imagine you have a magic mirror that shows you things that aren't really there, but they work just like the real deal. Now let me see why we all need virtualization in our tech world. First up, in a nutshell, virtualization is like our tech wizard, optimizing resources, cost saving, give us flexibility and enhanced disaster recovery, making sure we are ready to tackle anything. Types of virtualization. There are several types of virtualization. We see some of them. First, server virtualization. It's like having a multiple personalities for one computer, making it do more without getting confused. Next, desktop virtualization. Picture having your computer desktop accessible from anywhere, like carrying your digital world in your pocket. Next, storage virtualization. It's like having a magical closet that organizes and manages all your digital stuff, making storage smarter. At last, network virtualization. It's the art of making your computer friends talk to each other more efficiently, creating a digital community. Benefits of virtualization. Efficient resource utilization. It's like having a master organizer that makes sure every bit of our computer power is put to good use, no wastage. Scalability. It's like having the perfect sized suit for every occasion. Isolation and security. It's like having bodyguards for our digital treasures. Disaster recovery. It's like having a time traveling device that takes us back to when everything was okay. Simplified management. It's like having a smart assistant that make it easy for us to control and take care of all our tech without the headache. Hypervisors. Hypervisor is a software that you can use to run multiple virtual machines on a single physical machine. Every virtual machine has its own operating system and application. Think of it like having different rooms in a house, and each room is like a mini computer doing its own thing. The hypervisor is the master architect that makes sure these rooms play nice with each other on the same computer. Now we dive into the concept of virtualization tools. There are several virtualization tools like VirtualBox, VMware, Hyper-V, VMware Workstations, etc. These are the special software that help us to do amazing things like creating pretend computers inside our real ones. These tools make everything run smoother. Let me see briefly about some virtualization tools. VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a open source software. It lets you make virtual worlds on your computer. It's like having a multiple computers inside your computer. VMware. VMware is a tech maestro that helps create virtual magic. It's like having a backstage pass to run many computers at once, making your tech life a breeze. Microsoft Hyper-V. Microsoft Hyper-V is an advanced virtualization tool that has been under development. It is a cross-platform virtualization software. It lets you create virtual buddies on your computer, like having a whole digital squad doing different tasks. Next virtualization tool in our list is Vagrant. Vagrant is a free and open source virtualization tool designed in Ruby by HashiCorp, but it may also be used in applications written in PHP, Python, Java and C#. Vagrant is a travel guide for our virtual adventures. It helps you set up and manage virtual worlds easily, making your tech journey a smooth ride. Another open source virtualization tool is Zen. It is providing services that allows multiple computer operating systems to execute on the same computer hardware concurrently. Zen is a virtual architect building strong foundation for virtual homes. It's like having a superhero for creating secure and efficient virtual spaces on your computer. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines is a virtualization system developed by Microsoft that enables users to create and maintain virtual machines. Azure is Microsoft's cloud wizard. It stores your digital treasures in the sky, making them accessible anytime, anywhere. It's like having your own digital universe on demand. Thanks for your engagement and curiosity. Here we have delved into what virtualization is, the need for it, the benefits it offers, explored the concept of hypervisor, and had a brief look at some virtualization tools. Our next topic is cloud storage. Now I am passing the virtual torch to Abdul Khaliq. He will share insights into that concept.
Gowtham's explanation about virtualization was really good. So this is Abdul Khaliq and now I am going to discuss about cloud storage. Why we need cloud storage? Let us consider a scenario: you are running a YouTube channel. You need to store all your videos and reels in your personal computer. What happens if your personal computer is not sufficient to store that much of data? You have two solutions. The first option is to build a server with large storage in order of some TBs. But building servers requires lot of money, time and efforts, and also it needs some space in your office. Also servers have some disadvantages like it is less portable and less flexible. But the second option, that is cloud storage, can overcome all the disadvantages of the previous option. Cloud storage eliminates all the difficulties of building servers. In cloud storage, you can easily avoid storage via agreements. That's why cloud storage plays vital role in IT industries. Also in cloud computing, data are stored in servers that are managed by third-party providers who are responsible for managing, hosting and securing data that was stored in their infrastructures. Let us see advantages of cloud storage. These are all some advantages of cloud storage. Data storage saving, worldwide accessibility, data safety, security, data recovery, and automatic backup. Let us see some advantages in detail. The first advantage was worldwide accessibility. The data stored in cloud storage can be accessed from anywhere. The next advantage was security. The data stored in cloud storage was highly secure. That means no one can access your data without your permission. Then data recovery. In your personal computer, if you lost a data, you will never recover that data. But in case of cloud storage, you can recover your data at any time. So data in cloud storage is easily recoverable. And the next important advantage of cloud storage is automatic backup. This allows you to back up your data in your personal computer into cloud storage. This practice leads to better memory efficiency. And finally, disadvantages of cloud storage. First, improper handling can cause trouble. Then choose trustworthy source to avoid any hazard. And finally, in cloud storage, you need to depend on internet connection.